Something really interesting just happened, and something really interesting I just noticed happened, and that is we might be looking at prices for cars already stabilizing, and that means car prices might go up, especially when we're talking about the high-end ones. And the reason why is simple. Why do you guys think it is? Interest rates. Interest rates. I know that a lot of people are waiting for the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates, but motherfucker, the bank already did that. You already go to the bank and they're calling you, they're letting you know that they're willing to loan money to you, that the rates have dropped. You want to buy a house, you can get one at 6% right now, and officially nothing has changed. But in reality, everything has changed. So now, I'm in a dilemma. I want to buy a car right now. I want to get something delicious. And specifically, I would love to get a convertible, okay? You guys know I have my Lotus coming in, the Emira, that I ordered through Ivan. But a big part of me wants to ball out of control and just enjoy. There are some deals right now that if I'm right and shit picks up, it's going to help me like just enjoy the car and sell it and get whatever else, like, you know, just enjoy some. And a big part of it is I don't want to get any debt to my name. So I want to buy something right now in the $200,000 range, and I need your advice and I need your help, and I want you guys to know me to tell me how crazy I am or how little crazy I am. So I want to tell you about the cars that I'm looking at right now. Okay, and we're gonna go and we're gonna film all of this, and we're gonna go check them out and get into the adventures and all that crap. We're gonna do all of that on the vlog because we want to have some fun. There's no more working Alejandro. Alejandro is done creating businesses. Now we get back into the retirement life and just maintain, which is delightful. Now, what am I gonna get? The number one car and the real one that I want to get, like I said, I already have the Lotus ordered, but I want to get a Bentley GTC. I got a Bentley GTC back in the day, which is a convertible, two-door convertible, beautiful Bentley. I got one, I want to say 2011, 2012. Loved it. It was great. And Berlin absolutely love it too. And we got rid of it. We had a problem with the roof and whatever bullshit had happened. But dude, those cars were $200,000. Right now, you want to buy a brand new GTC? That shit runs you in like $400,000. $400,000? What happened? Who hurt you guys? Why is this going on? Either way, but if you can buy a used one, there are some really interesting options for around $200,000. So Bentley GTC. Also, I might want to get just a Bentley Mulsanne if I get a good deal. That's like the that's the four-door version of that. And those are gorgeous. Danny sent me a picture of one, which was white with a Mandarin interior, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not opposed to that either. Now from there, I have the Lotus Emira, which is coming already, but I already found a few that are on the market. So tomorrow we're gonna go fuck with Ivan and see what the hell's going on with that. Should we go Lotus? Should we go Bentley? Also, I'm looking at a Targa. I've always wanted a Porsche Targa. And I know it's not like your turbo, Alejandro, but I've always wanted a Targa just like I always wanted a turbo, and eventually got the turbo and I was so happy. I just feel like there's not enough special things in the Targa for me and Belen to enjoy, because I feel like the Bentley, Belen will enjoy the Bentley too. Right? And by the way, that's not getting rid of anything that's in here. And by anything, I mean Desperado. From there's also the Maserati MC20. But I feel like I need a steep discount on that Maserati still. Like, you can get some for low 200s or even under 200. But I feel like it can go much lower too. It still doesn't look to me like a $200,000 car on the inside. On the outside, I know I love the way that it looks. But on the interior, I'm like, I don't know if I'm completely sold on that fucking Maserati. How do you guys feel about it? Please let me know. The next one I have is an old familiar face to the channel. Rolls-Royce Dawn or Ghost? I'm sorry, or Wraith. Probably a Dawn, because I'm looking for a convertible, and they're getting so cheap. Like, so fucking cheap. The problem with the Dawn is that it's so old. But what I love about it is how smooth it is and how gorgeous it is. And the suspension from a Rolls-Royce, the way that they drive. Oh my God. Oh my God. And a lot of people, like a lot of my friends, because I'm talking to them about this, they're like, dude, why don't you just fucking get a new one? Like, the lease program is back to being pretty cheap. I don't want to lease anything. I want to live a life now that I can without any debt whatsoever and enjoy myself. Now, interest rates are coming down, so I might do something crazy, sell this Toronto, get something insane, but we'll see how that goes. For right now, the Rolls Royce is also another option that I have on the map. Now, I'm going to take you into a different category right now. Well, it's kind of like the same category, but not so crazy. It's a brand new car. It's an SL63 by Mercedes. Should I buy an SL63 by Mercedes? I love the way that it looks. I feel like depreciation will kick me in the dick. But most importantly, I'm not a dentist. So I'm probably not going to get an SL63. I just put it on the list because I had to mention it because of the dentist joke. But I am not a dentist. And the joke is over. So probably not. The next one, like for real, is a different category, okay? 600 LT. What about a 600 LT Spider? Those cars are fucking sick. Those are McLarens, in case you didn't know. They drive so well. Pros, drives amazing, sounds incredible. You can grill some stuff on the back or in the entire car, depending on how good of a car you got. But those look so good. Those are, in my opinion, like younger classics. They'll go up in value eventually, but I'm not gonna hold this car forever, which takes me to basically the next one, which is a BMW Z8. The BMW Z8 is one of the most underrated cars, in my opinion, ever. But I feel like I'm not going to enjoy it as much as I think I will. It's a convertible. It's BMW legacy, which you guys know I love those old M3s, the coupe, the Z3 coupe, and all of that crap I love. So there's not a doubt in my mind that probably I'm gonna have a lot of fun and I'm gonna enjoy a lot of the car, but I also feel like it's not new. It doesn't have all the greatest and latest. I don't know, how do you guys feel about the BMW Z8? And definitely I gotta go check it out, like 100,000,000%. I gotta go drive one and see, because that to me feels like, if it clicks, that might be perfection. And the last one, which Ivan also has, Aston Martin DBS. And we can get a convertible too. Those Aston Martin DBSs are beautiful. Now, I'd be terrified that Belen drives it, because she might just get into an accident. You know, the car's too fast, the rear wheels like to play, all of that good stuff. I just don't know what to do. What would you guys do? Am I missing another car? Please let me know in the comments down below which one and why I should fucking go look at it. I really want to drive it. I want to have them all. But either way, let me know which one you like and if I'm too crazy with this. Let's see what happens with car values, with car prices, but I think luxury is going to go back up again. So let's keep an eye on the market. Stay tuned. And we just talked about cars, yo. Thank you so much for watching.